Is it possible to automatically attach Xrefs in Autocad? So here we are in another tip, trick and hack for Autocad. And what we're going to look at now is working with Xrefs in Autocad and external references, but an automatic method of working with Xrefs. We're going to set up Autocad so you never have to Xref anything again. How? Using a template. But first, let's dive into a brief explanation of what Xrefs are and how they work. You can think of external references or Xrefs as reference files that you can insert or attach in a current Autocad drawing. Changes made to the reference drawing are automatically reflected in the current drawing. The only difference between these two is that external reference can be an image, PDF, or other file types. An Xref is an external reference that is specifically a DWG file. Take as example an architectural set of drawings. You will need first, floor plan, second, ceiling plan, third, elevations, sections, and so on. Now, in all of these plans, do you know what you'll need to include? Yes, a title block, which is always attached as an Xref. So if you modify your title block, changing client name for instance, changes will update in all of the drawings for your architectural set. Okay, so now you understand Xrefs. Now I'll help you set up Autocad so you never have to Xref anything again. To explain, I'll use a site location image which I always like to attach in all of my drawings. Choose any drawing as your template. Once you have it, open it and go ahead and take a screenshot for your project site location. I'll use Snipping tool for this. Remember to use any guidelines when selecting area so your external reference shows always in the same location. Finally, in Autocad, type XR to open Xref palette. Here, attach your image with relative path and place it in your desired position. The Autocad tip, trick and hack here is to attach your Xref with relative path in your template. So you'll make Autocad look for the file name inside the current drawing folder and attach it in your drawing automatically. Now, the next time you're starting a new project, simply copy your Autocad template to your desired project folder. Take a screenshot for your new project site location and save it with the same name as you set it up in your template, in this case, site location. So now, when you open your drawing, the new site location will be attached automatically. In a big scale example, you can set up a title block in your template so it can be inserted automatically in all of your drawings for your new projects. And this is the benefit of using templates in AutoCAD. You don't have to manually insert your Xrefs anymore in your new AutoCAD drawings. Don't forget to give this video a like, share with your friends, and click subscribe for less clicks and more done.